Telling you, that's bad intel, Gulo.
Gimme just need a tiny gulp, Marsh.
No, you don't get true swill if you don't give true.
Why does it sound like she's having an
I
orgasm?
speak the day's true, Marsh. Violence destroyed.
Yeah, right. Blown right to shit by mega bad tech mutants. I ain't biting, Gulo. You're just looking for a free fix of swill here.
Vineland is gone.
See? I was talking true.
Don't glug it all at once.
Oh, Jesus, she's gloving it all at once.
Ranger, huh? Oh, I haven't seen a ranger here in a long time.
John Marshall, legendary resistance fighter, war hero.
All right, John.
We grew up on stories about
He's
this guy.
73, Jesus.
I gotta admit, I was expecting something more impressive.
Oh, well then.
Seems impossible. Vineland's defenses were impenetrable.
So we all thought. We weren't ready for them. We weren't ready for the authority.
They're back then. I'm guessing you'll hear about the Dagger Project.
I am.
Problem is, we're under a whole different kind of siege here. Muties. They're clogging up our power turbine in the sewers. Now, if someone was to take care of that...
If that's what it takes to get Dagger online, show me
I
what
see
to
what
kill
this is
and
gonna
where.
be.
You catch on fast. I sent down every rent-a-killer who walked in here, but they all end up dead.
I won't.
It won't take long.
I see. So basically, you're gonna go to each location. You're gonna talk to the person. They're gonna send you on a mission. After that mission, they'll send you to the next portion of the Dagger Project. I gotta go to the sewers. This is exactly like Rage 1, to be honest with you. It was the same kind of mission setup.
I suggest you stock up at the market before venturing into those sewers.
I'll be fine.
You get that power back for me.
Oh.
And Dagger's back on track.
So basically, I have to turn the power on. He just looks like a Claus? Like, you mean Santa Claus?
Marshall sent you, huh? Third one this week. Let's hope you got something they didn't.
Yeah, I'm a fucking ranger, dude. Did he send any rangers down here? Didn't think so. Let's go.
There's an underground stream down in these old sewers. We hooked it up to a turbine generator. Makes us completely independent. As in, we got our own power supply. We don't have to buy no Feltrite from greedy traders fixing the market and playing dirty. Mother Nature provides.
And how's that working out?
There we go.
Well, apart from the occasional wrench in the works, like, say a mutie infestation clogging up the turbine,
Oh, shit.
we're good. We got our own
Dude, I hate ladders in this
But
game.
There's always a gun for hire to do the jobs if things go south.
That's what I am?
I really do.
Gun?
Hell no. You're a ranger. That's a whole different enchilada. Whole lot spicier and meatier.
Just making sure, Marshall. Just
We
making
got a new
sure.
wing stick. Whoops, did not mean to use that. God damn it. Oh, this way. Oh, there's a dead dude. I really, I could use some better lighting here.
Hey, Marshall. Did you know there's an ark down here? Just sitting there.
Oh yeah. Maybe you got the nanotrite config it takes. See if you can't get it to open sesame for you.
Please approach for security scanning.
Yup.
Security scanning complete. Welcome to ARC 402A.
Give me something good.
It's an Arctech shotgun.
Ooh.
Man, I've seen these in old hollow logs.
We got a shotgun. Have I gotten anything new from reserve cases? God, no.
Combat shotgun. An unstoppable force at close range with the potential to
It won't let me double jump in here.
Good work.
I like this already.
Accepted. In precision aim, the shell's lead are melted into a single solid slug with great knockback capability.
Oh. It's like the KSG from Black Ops 2. Oh my god. Well, I have a favorite weapon.
Sequence completed. Use the combat shotgun's overdrive against the simulated enemies.
What do you mean the overdrive? Oh!
Your training is complete. Ending simulation.
Well, that's my new favorite gun. I think I got like the afterlife on like the RK7 or something like that, Chewy.
Corridor sweeper, eh? You got lucky. Not many of those still around. It's hardwired to your Nanotrite signature.
Yep, this is great. Nice. I thought I saw a chest over here. What the hell are these things? Goodbye! Oh, this is the best weapon ever. Every gun should be a slug shotgun. The problem is I'm gonna run out of ammo for it. Give me ammo, give me ammo! Oh, just a bunch of junk, literally. What's with the lighting down here? Ow! You can YY, boys. Just like Call... Oh, that sucked. Call of Duty. Mutant spores is what we're getting from these guys. Wait, what's over here? Ah, nice find. Goodbye! Oh, shit. Okay. I can see how this could be a little bit scary. Just keep giving me shotgun ammo. I'll be okay. I don't want to face these guys with not shotgun. Is it the flood from Halo? Not quite. I can't... do they just call these mutants in this game? I'm not really sure. We're probably going to find out because it's getting gnarly down here. Speaking of which... You. Alright, here we go. This is where shit's gonna hit the fan. I only have 15 bullets. Okay, let's use this gun for a little bit until, oh, what's in there? I really don't like not using the shotgun against these guys. Okay. Are you shotgun ammo? No. What are you? Okay. That's probably where I have to go, so let's check over here. Oh, you can break these. Give me all the stuff. Nice. Oh, shit. Hello. Wonder what I do with mutant spores. Probably level something up, but... Okay, you know what? This seems like a good time for this. Ow! You son of a bitch. Nope, okay, okay, cool. Ow. Jesus, I don't like these guys. Probably should have just used that gun against them to begin with. Ow! Ow! Need health. Give me stuff. Give me... Okay, this is shotgun territory right here. Well, these are all supplies, aren't they? Okay, never mind. We just won't take those supply crates. Just jump on them. Lazy, what's up, dude?
I reached the turbine. Like you said, it's gummed up with some nasty mutant.
Didn't see you there.
Yeah, you made it all the way down to Muty Central, and you're still standing. Outstanding work, Ranger. Now you just need to find the lid and crack it open. And you can flush it out.
Alright, this is where shit's gonna hit the fan. Guarantee it.
Ah, hell.
Oh, shit. What? Oh, hell no. Ow! Ow! Jesus Christ! What just happened? Okay, we need to kill this dude. Here's what we're gonna do.
Ranger, there are 2 switches in total. You gotta flip them both.
Okay. Yep. That worked. You're British, it's 4 a.m. right now? Good for you for still being up. That takes commitment. Is there going to be another dude? There's going to be another dude, isn't there?
One down, one to go.
Got it! I can tell you right now, I'm going to be upgrading this gun first.
Okay, starting to unclog. What now?
Once it's all flushed, you close the lid. That'll reboot the turbine.
Where the fuck do I have to go here? Over there. Ow! Do you mind? Oh. I don't know what just happened there, but I made it here safely. Did it! Ow, what is hurting me? Anybody have... What is hurting me?
Hey, we got power. Can't believe you made it. Those were some tough muties, Ranger. You cut through them like butter.
I did, but now I want to get the hell out because this place stinks worse than a grunt barrack septo tank.
Well, it shouldn't be too hard. There's an old service elevator down there.
Oh, is there now?
Directly into my armory.
Into your armory. Okay, I see. I see. I still don't know what was hurting me there. Let's get out of here. That was so dark. Yeah, I can definitely see that. I also like how my face cam doesn't block anything in this video.
Now that's one for the books. It was me, Doc Cavassier, Lusum Hagar, and your own Sergeant Prowley. No, Sergeant Prowley.
She raised me, made me into the killing machine I am today.
I figured. You have that, extra something about you.
Oh, goddamn right I do.
By the meanest and the best.
She didn't make it. She was killed in the attack.
I'm sorry to hear. That explains why you're here, I guess.
That would.
Prowley.
Whatever it takes to crush the authority.
Amen. By
I
the
unlocked
way,
something there.
what's your handle?
Call me Walker.
Walker it is.
John Marshall.
There you are. This is my armory, my base of operations. From here, I'll be able to start working on Project Dagger. Now, with the juice flowing freely again, there are a few more projects I could use some help with.
I bet there is.
Walker, these projects come with benefits for you too. While I'm setting up Dagger, you might as well get beefed up for the grand goddamn cataclysm. Don't know if you
Gonna
know,
get all
but
beefed up, boys. We're gonna
Project
lift some
Dagger
weights.
involves you
We're getting
driving a
big.
fully rigged tank into Authority headquarters alone and manually distributing a Nanotrite murder Mickey into the Grand Ghoul himself, General Cross.
Cool. Okay, I didn't want to do that. Go. Can everyone stop? No! Too many things happen at once.
You'll need every edge you can get.
Okay. Okay. Can I read this? Okay. Also, those give me experience. Okay. What does that do? Oh, that brings me up there.
There it is. My little dagger puzzle piece. The Scrambler.
Okay, so let's just real quickly go to this. Nope, not that. This. I want to upgrade my shotgun. So magazine capacity or speed loader. I feel that the shotgun speed loader is probably better. Oh, I don't have any weapon upgrades, motherfuck.
You're gonna need it if
Okay, so let's go to log. No. Where the hell is it? Is it in here? It's in projects, that's where it is. So this guy now has these. So 25% more ammo. Carry 6 throwables. It's alright. I like that. Like a stealth ability almost. Grenades can be deflected. That's freaking awesome. Alright, so I'm going to take this. Just more ammo. Actually, you know what? We might as well do this. Because then we're done that. I like all of these, honestly. I mean, I guess I gotta buy all of them eventually, so let's just... Boom! We got them all. So these ones I'm assuming cost 2, yeah. So as you move down.
you want to get past Authority ground sec, but it still needs a bunch of work.
Alright, so... Health infusion... I'm assuming that now I gotta go to the other people. Oh yeah, so Lazy was asking how do I like the game so far. Venus asked, Rage 2 any good? I like it so far. Like, I'm not far enough into the game to say, like, oh, it's worth the money or anything like that. But, like, I like what they're going for so far. It's gonna be a mix of how long the game is and how good they make the story. As of right now, it's like, it's not as good of a story. Oh, I'm behind the bar.
I work for Marsh exclusive.
Okay, I don't like how you're talking to me.
Later.
What are you?
What? Yeah.
Okay, so basically talking to people just reveals locations on the map. Like the story in this game is not gonna be as good as... Okay, so what are these? So these are basically like just side missions. Bandit Den. Bandit Den. So those are bandit dens. What's the best way for me to go? Like I should probably just make my way up to here and then go over there. Alright, that's what we'll do. Probably play for another 15 minutes or so. What's the basis of the game story? So, basically there was this group of people called Rangers, and they are fighting against, I can't remember what they're called, but the bad guys. And the bad guys come and attack the Rangers, and you are the last surviving Ranger, so you get sent on Project Dagger, which there's these certain daggers you need to go to. That was the guy with the beard that we were just talking to is one of the daggers. They give you abilities and stuff like this with your Ranger suit.
I need you to get busy on my operations. And don't forget, I have projects that'll help you when you do.
So he's... What the hell is this dude telling me? He's telling me to get to work on his projects, but what are his frickin' projects? So, essentially, there's zombies that you're fighting, and you're trying to stop them. That's all I know. Like I said, it's not like... Like, I'm not super attached to my character yet or anything. So basically, it's a very grindy level up, you want to become a better soldier kind of game. Almost reminds me of Horizon Zero Dawn a little bit, with how they do that kind of upgrading and stuff. Because really, like, Horizon Zero Dawn, there was, like, this interesting part of the story that you're like, okay, what is going on with these or not zombies, these dinosaurs? Hold up. Let's try to take these.
The Trade Coalition would love to have that outpost back in rotation. We'd gain some goodwill by murdering those goons.
We're doing it. I don't know if I can make this jump, but... Nope. Absolutely can't. Alright, we're gonna go murder these guys and see how hard it is. Because it says it's like a 5 difficulty. And I feel like if we can do a 5 difficulty now, we're set for the rest of the game, right? So I'm assuming you can also do this stealthily, but that's not really my style.
Hey, Lily. I'm eyeballing one. A sketchy-looking place.
Yeah, things ain't divinely safe no more. Go in prepared, Walker.
Don't you tell me how to live my life. Ow. I love this shotgun. This shotgun might have been the greatest thing ever invented. Oh, so there's only 3 storage containers. There's 1 data pad and 1 arc. Oh, that's a big boy. You know what we're gonna do? My new favorite thing to do in this game. Who's shooting at me? Dude, I love this gun! There might be a bigger boy we should have used that on, honestly. Oh, speaking of which. Can you die? Thank you. I don't like those guys that just throw a million grenades into the air. There's the arc chest. Give me that. Can you give me a weapon upgrade? Because I want to upgrade my shotgun. Nope. Weapon core mod. That's what I wanted, right? Rowan, what's up? Seems nothing like Rage 1. It is and it isn't. So, like, the mission progression is a lot like Rage 1, where you kind of, like, get your missions, and then, so, like, you go to an area, you talk to a guy, and he's like, you need to go down here and do this, and that'll unlock another mission. And then you go out into the open. Honestly, kind of reminds me of, like, Borderlands 1 kind of style mission setups, where it's, like, it's open world, but it still directs you pretty well.
Wasn't that bad?
But yes, you're right, it doesn't...
All the creeps are done crawling.
That wasn't very hard for 5 difficulty. But yeah, I think Rage 1 was a lot more linear. Honestly, I prefer this to Rage 1. I thought Rage 1 was like a 6 out of 10 game. This feels like more like a 7 out of 10 game. Based off of what I played so far. Okay, I need to find these little chests. Keep an eye out for purple chests, people. Okay, is any purple chests down here? If there's not, I'm not going down there. Purple chests anywhere? Anybody? Purple chests? Oh, that's really dark. Is that a purple chest? It certainly is. Oh, and we need a data pad too. Those are what we saw in that dude's office before. They're really small, so hopefully we can find it, but actually that might have been the thing I saw in the water. Was a data pad. It is. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. Don't listen to anything I say. RBG, welcome back, dude. But I do agree. Nothing like Rage 1. Absolutely. If you were a purple chest, would you be in here? Datapad would be. How about a purple chest, too? That would be nice. Then I'd find everything, and I'd feel all relieved, and... I don't understand the supply crates. Like, am I just, like, supposed to shoot them? Get shit out of them? Like, I don't understand. Maybe up here? I don't like ladders in this. So... we've seen one purple chest over there. One purple chest in there. The arc chest there. So, like, the only other, like, buildings that are left are this. It's, like, up there, but how in the hell would you get up there? Could also be over there, too. Let's have a look over here. I don't think it would be in the water down there, but you never know. You think there's a ladder to get up there? Probably. It's not in here. I'm really struggling when I look for these chests. Like, really struggling. Oh, there's a ladder up here. Purple chest? I'm putting money that it's up there. If it's not, if I can't find a way up there, I'm just gonna give up. Do it later. The word Fortnite should be banned. I don't even, like, can you ban individual words? I guess the mod could. Like, I could set it up with Inkbot that it could ban certain words, but time out someone that says Fortnite. That's actually kind of funny. Alright, if it's... Do anyone see a way up there? Any purple chests up here? Over here, maybe? No. I think we are SOL. Unless there's like a ladder. Somewhere around here. There is not. Alright, folks, I think I give up. Is there a perk that makes finding easier? Good question. Wrong button. So if there was, it would be under... One second. The menus are really slow at loading. That's like... I think it would be under this, probably. Search and recover. Why? The menus are... Jesus Christ, they're laggy. So that picks up the signal of data. So yeah, this does. Storage containers tracking. Yeah. A tracker picks up a signal from storage containers, enabling you to home in on their position. Yeah. So that'll be nice once we can do that. But we got to go to these locations that it's sending to us now to get those. So I'm not going to worry about this storage container then. I'll just unlock that after. The fuck is that? Where'd my vehicle go? Is there any way I can, like, whistle and it comes? Kind of like a horse in Red Dead Redemption? Because I think I, like, dropped it pretty far away. Like, I think I dropped... Oops. I think I'm just gonna steal another car. Look at this guy right here. This feels even worse. Oh!
Today is your lucky day. I offer you the chance.
Alright, so it looks like we're actually pretty close to the next little town here. I like my other vehicle better. It had a gun. Wellsprings. Isn't this a town from the first game? I could be totally wrong. Because I think you climbed that tower in the first game.
Wellspring. Finally. Now let's see if we can't get a hold of Mayor Lusum Hagar.
Oh, I see. So you can take vehicles, store them in your garage, and then you can choose your vehicle when you're leaving. I see.
You're not getting in here.
Why not?
Back to your discount rack in the sewers.
I will fuck you up.
Yeah, you pass.
Oh, I could just go in anyway. Well, never mind. That was anticlimactic as hell. Alright, let's talk to these dudes first.
Oh, hey! It's another ranger.
There's more to.
I'm not interested in what anyone of these people has to say. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure this town was from the first game. Like, pretty sure. What can I buy from this place? Okay, I don't know why I'd want meat.
Stop right there, shit stick.
I'm looking for the mayor of Wellspring.
Now you're in the right place. But at
Knew
the wrong
it.
time. Mayor Hagar
Oh.
and her staff are in lockdown. Whatever your business, you can wait. Try another day, or don't try at all.
Why are they in lockdown?
Something happened?
Nope. I aim to keep it that way. Nobody gets in, nobody gets out. The mayor has bigger problems than you, Sideshow. Now, as I said... Hear that?
Oh shit. Fucking wow, okay. Did I get them all? Nope, you're not dead. Oh, you're on my team. Whoops, my bad.
Gotta get up there.
Going up. Nice little elevator ride here. Can I not see out the... Oh, there's a bunch of people up here. Let's reload. 52 rounds in this thing. Well done.
Impressive. You think you can catch a bullet too?
Lusum Hagar, mayor of Wellspring. Used to be a wingstick whiz kid. Nowadays backs it up with a
Wingstick whiz kid.
instrumental to the Dagger Project. Whoa, 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 whoa! Easy! I'm here about the Dagger Project.
Huh. Just a very exclusive list knows about that project. And you're
I'm one of
not
them.
on it.
Prowley sent me.
Prowley, huh? Prowley's dead. Vineland was razed to the ground.
She's
I
a
know.
I can't explain. I'm Walker, the last of the Vineland Rangers.
God damn it. More of these assholes!
Alright, let's fuck him up.
Ranger, let's take these fuckers out!
Yeah,
Then we'll
that's the
talk.
spirit.
What's the situation down there?
Same. They gunned down your people, I gunned down them.
Maybe you will prove useful to me after all.
The headshots I'm getting here.
Ranger.
I'm just getting...
All the headshots.
Coming up the elevator.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Once the door opens, they're walking into a fucking blender.
Like fish in a barrel.
How are they not dead? There they go. Now they're dead.
You got the skill for the kill, I grant you. These goons are thoroughly dead. Not what I expected from your boxed-in little compound. You're different.
I could get dark matter in this game.
Yeah.
I did get a lot of headshots there.
Let's talk.
The gunplay seems so sweet. It's different. It's like a mix of Fallout and Doom. Like, it's not as fast as Doom, and it's not as slow as Fallout, and there's no, like, VATS or anything like that. And, it's not as smooth as Call of Duty, either. So it's like, it's like an in-between of a bunch of games.
Dagger was designed to stop the Authority, once and for all. Plans fell by the wayside when Vineland cut ties with us. I'm more than willing to reboot the project, but as you can see, I have more pressing matters.
I can see that. Who are these guys?
Hired thugs. The Goon Squad. Small-time bandit outfit.
Who sent them?
Only one scumbag with balls enough to pull a stunt like this. Clegg Clayton. Richest asshole in town. He's been eyeing the mayor's seat for a while, but lately he's been upping his game. Using bribed officials, he's laid claim to all of the city's military.
Kinda like Titanfall.
Including the vital parts needed for Dagger.
So I kill him and take back the hardware.
No deal. We gotta proceed with some caution here. First, I want to know where he gets his backing from. Second, we need to find out where he keeps all of that property.
You got a plan?
He's got an ego the size of an ecopod, but we can use that. If you get close to him, pay him lip service, get his trust. Then you can easily plant this gizmo on his computer. It'll let me download all of his juicy data. Who's backing him, who's supplying the Goon Squad, and where he keeps the seized supplies. Clegg Clayton likes to surround himself with the rich and famous. They hang out at his so-called
This is a long
Winner's
cutscene.
Lounge. You figure out a way to get in there, and you're well on your way to getting that gizmo planted.
Okay, I'm on it.
What is that?
Excellent.
What's on that table?
Grab
Oh,
the
the
gizmo.
gizmo.
Get into Clegg's office and stick it on his computer.
Alright, so, like, you guys are talking, saying this feels like a typical Bethesda game. I don't think it feels like a typical Bethesda game. Like, Bethesda makes a bunch of different stuff. Like, it doesn't feel like Doom. It doesn't feel like... It feels like a typical open-world game. So, if I can compare it to something like Far Cry, honestly, even like a Red Dead Redemption. I know that sounds stupid. No, you can't compare it to Red Dead Redemption. That's a stupid comparison. Assassin's Creed, even though it's a completely different fighting style. Aw. Keep going. Let's see if he's doing it properly. Is he going to give him breaths? Or is it just chest compressions? That's not what it sounds like when you do CPR, by the way. Is he... 2 breaths? Oh,
Do you recommend buying Rage 2?
I'll answer that in a second. He is actually doing proper CPR. 30 compression to 2 breaths. I can't believe it. Rage, Bethesda, you done good on that front. Cloud and Bound, see you later, dude. Alpha, thank you for the 4 months, by the way. 4-month streak, too. Really appreciate it. Do I recommend buying Rage 2? So far, it's a really good game. With open world games, there's kind of like 2 things that answer that question for me. What is the, like... Is it going to give me the longevity? Like, if an open world game, I go by the $1 an hour. I want to be able to get 60 hours of gameplay out for $60. Even if that includes, like, the end game stuff in those 60 hours, I'll still take it. But I need to be able to still want to play after that end game. So, I can't really answer that question yet, but it feels good, and I like the story and what it's doing in the open world. It's just kind of where they go with it. It's not very hard so far, I will say that. The only time I've died is when I accidentally fell off a cliff, and that's it. not Assassin's Creed totally different. No, the reason why I say Assassin's Creed is because the missions are exactly the same. Like I said, the fighting is completely different, but you got to go here, unlock this section, unlock different things that give you upgrades. Like, the gameplay loop is the same as, like, an Assassin's Creed style game. The gameplay is just different. Like, the fighting is different.
Because you're a degenerate gambler, that's why. And degenerate gamblers are only welcome in the lounge.
This is Clay Clayton's Winner's Lounge. Forget it. You ain't got the juice to get past the rope.
Let me in. I'm a ranger.
I don't give a fuck. No one gets in here who isn't rich or famous. You're neither.
Come on. There's got to be a way.
Sure. You can get in by winning. Winning how? Win at Mutant Bash TV and win the Chaz Car Derby. Become a champ. Easy peasy for someone as tough as you, right?
That all?
Yep. You make yourself a champ, you can just waltz on in and meet the man himself.
There's no other way.
Not for you.
Okay. Make a name for yourself on the Mutant Bash TV. Make a name for yourself in Chaz Car Derby. Okay. So Chaz Car Derby is obviously car racing. Mutant Bash TV. I think I remember that from the first game.
That Boundzilla at the door?
There's a way in. I gotta go kill the shit out of some muties on TV and grind some metal in the racing circuit. Become a champ. Should be a breeze.
Oh, let's hope you've got what it takes. Those shows eat up folks like gobbling down peanuts.
Okay. Well, what the is this guy talking? Explain yourself! Why are you wearing that? And why are you carrying around a robot hand? Interesting. Alright, so those were said a while ago, Rowan. I think I'm going to end it here. Next time, I think I'm going to continue this on Wednesday. I just found out I don't have a baseball game on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I don't know what time the stream's going to start. I'll let you guys know tomorrow what time I'll be streaming Wednesday. It'll be earlier in the day, and it'll be just this game. I don't think we're going to stream any Call of Duty Wednesday. Tomorrow we'll be streaming Call of Duty. Whatever the update is tomorrow, we'll be streaming that. So yeah, all that good stuff. Yeah.